Hello, we are at 15064 South Harry Truman Place, right up the road from where we were the other day, yesterday, when we looked at that other open door property. This one is also an open door. However, and I have not been inside, I just had to call them and have them open up the door just like I did yesterday. They're having problems with their system, but this one is recently painted. That's why I'm standing there holding that. Just wanted you to see the tile. Walking in, looks like they painted the interior. They had to give me the lockbox code because their system was not working. So I have the actual key to this place. I have not gone in yet and turned on any of the lights, but as you probably know, they keep a few lights on for you, like Motel 6. And so it smells like fresh paint in here. Seems very clean. So you are seeing it for the first time with me. Yeah, looks pretty. This looks almost newer. I mean, geez. Yeah. Nice oak cabinets. Little island there. Formica countertops, but it's nice setup. You know, this place so far would be really easy to update. This is actually tile. Yeah, this place would be kind of fun. It's a nice little floor plan. I like how it's open down here. Taller ceilings, probably not good 9 foot. I'll open this back. And what's cool about this backyard is it is an open slate. No, it is an open slate, but it backs up against the trail here, which leads directly to, when I can only zoom in so much, to the lake, literally, right to the lake. So that's what's cool. I think that's really cool. So I'm sure you've seen pictures of the lake and whatnot. Doesn't look like there's any, well, yeah, there's no window covering on that window or that one over there. So it's pretty bright. There's a half bath here. And that last one, I said it was a 2-bathroom, and I meant it was a 2.5. Just pretty much what this one's gonna be. So, it's dark in here. Water heater. 2-car garage. That's nice that they put a door here. Everybody does that. That's very convenient if you're doing yard work or if you have a garden or something out there. I like it. Okay, we'll go this way. It's kind of a cool little floor plan. So let me look at my handy dandy cheat sheet here. It is 3 bedrooms built in 2002, and they're asking $300,000 and 1,616 square feet. Cool. Again, I didn't turn on any lights, so pretty bright. Like it. The loo. This would be an easy upgrade right here. You have like a older laminate. Nice walk-in closet, nice size. Yeah. Seems nice. Bathroom and then bedroom. Decent size. Well, compared to some of the others, not huge. I don't want you to get the wrong impression, but it's not as small as some of the others. You got this play area. You can put a little TV or an office space here. This room, yeah, 10 by 10 maybe. You can see out there. For the price, seems like a fair value. Nice mountain view off in the distance there. You can get some top down, bottom up. I think that's it. 1,600 square feet. Oh, here's one of them there windows that's gone bad. That just happens. The sun here just pretty much kills everything. We will see you at the next one. I have an appointment that I am running to get to because that one is going to be owner occupied. Bye.